What's up, guys? Today we have a sealed inbox iPhone 6 64 gig space gray. Sorry for the shit quality of the video and my voice. I just had spinal cord surgery, so I can't really move much, but it is legit, still sealed. And today we're gonna unseal it. So here we go. Ooh. It's really hard to film. This is really difficult. Oh god. Oh, fucking hell. Fucking you all up. Fuck me. Alright. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Wow. Hold on, let's see what else is in here. European. Interesting. Paper booklet. SIM tool. And Apple stickers. It's one way we'll know if it's legit, if there's Apple stickers or not. And yes, there are. Oh my god, that's such relief. Do we have any life out of the box? I really doubt it. No. Alright, where's my cable? Cable. Oh, shit. Oh, don't be stuck in a boot loop. Okay. Ooh, old iOS. Oh boy. Yes. I guess I'll film once it's turning on. Whoa. Home? Okay. Well, that's it. Peace out.